OKFM 101.7.
Now, Ebra yebo Dr. Kezo ato forcing wobo originala na Fante youth fo wobo se na yengwai Eric Jackson convener coalition of Fante youth na yene ne twetwe enkomo memo acha no pe
OKFM 101.7.
what you want
Kwame.
yeah memo acha no pe
Kwame judo.
ana wa pomu teden
Kwame, chedi ampo andaro mamuye. Na wanso e.
boko pa
Era chedi ampo ase.
Enra yesi a ball Dr. Kezo ato forcing this as they say one a minority leader in parliament. Come and see Edigye be what? Adai.
Kwame, ma mendo was na minchi aweti for. Na me fanchi akesen son koma Dr. Kezo ato ban force.
Ani di ni ba ka ho.
Mo chonyo.
Okay.
Isn't ho ya hom so no. Isn't ho ya hom so. Bi chena na pe na Kwame dem rekan oya ho sepel sem de yem brother wasmo sompa na manyu ku no mpanyimfo we hu de indeed we di juma suma oye ma manyu ku na bra we duri say what is the view oye what can the minority the mana obeti me ye juma na wa ye ni ye enti I think the yesum na once a year na so ye bom pay de twedi ampo na nkasa onkodondom na ombon ho ban na omman nyimza obetim za ye adwuma osombo na ofata
Na why ni Dr. Kezo ato force?
Kwame me just the ato force no your household name numbers mba wa ba in fact we he na ye won finfi mantum bebunze ehun there he's one of the leading lights for us. I think they currently war constituency of Ufimreba, Ejumako Inyani CM constituency. This is the only politician that waiting my Ejuma where 100 constituency for 4 terms as a legislator. Now Ninjuma wire for the party in his constituency. Even Finsimantum Mebun across the political divide. Or some of that from hen and more that we believe that he's a good person. On the national political landscape, Kwame, I need him in a control. If you're more than one wabo, if you're basically my subject of frat, Nankasa Oz no huni, Oji, Yimpeni, and see, baby, I'll walk on Domino. We believe there's a Dom Kuma or Brasibum add the Naba there, or Mayor, one can defer. But you Pufuna, which I know what on na, you believe there. Obetima Yejuma or Sanafata. It's the national chairman of the NDC. Ne Nasibia be of the Tuga. Since I wear them changes now, we feel the no Pobia overly the NDC charges on economic issues moving into the 2024 elections. I strongly believe then no NDC for what nice will take a decision. They've taken the right decision by settling on cases to force them to lead their time. And you go do pay the beam review. Kasnanka San Beden Ombra. Na yes said there. Omemuni na ankanka mebna 150 mantem. Yemfa mpa bokase nta afoba na echi na wa ko bi omredu. Na dwumeza was asha nansan. Ontimi no nzi ye. And the Kwame, all the day I was a rebel 1PC or baby now, or be sure to turn money or baby. And see, Zaya Sunday, Yaman Sinkwa, na Chedampon, Ondina Baba, Ondina can, Ombon Hoban, man, you could do home, Ombu and Najim, on soon name, na Babia, all there, Ujina Manual, cool name, other con, or Funko, Atakwa, Umpire, there were Bacade, Fifi Manton Bebun, after Forsen. What did you make in the man? Breachy boy and this Amanyokun. Yabon Paistia, Kusakose, in him there, trading upon Nara, Opedia to Bar Forsen, Fitty Bessiancy or none name, the giant killer, Abedu Dembrin. Yamanan Casa, we see the same for this position in the payment I know the need to meet that obediza some na manyuku na Ghana obodega na dom do nanga sabo hu the pa obazin ozi edia yembrada penyin mu na kwa American days no the mobo yenu penyin Harry Idris na bado was over the period then we believe very well there Anderson has benefited a lot from his tutelage and mentorship. If the telepathy between Harry Idris, who was a minority leader, and Ato Forsen as the ranking on finance now, it was a very solid partnership. And I believe that he is going to avail himself and his support for your brother, Embra, was age meeting was a man. Now, as for Harry Idris, for we in Central Region, we know very well he's been destined for bigger heights. Now, Zaire Bompire and the uncle name not on train and brother for force in the nature wherever he goes. Because you see, Haruna goes into history, and Kwame, you cannot take it away from him. There, in this young Kevin Fourth Republican, he is the most successful minority leader of any parliamentary caucus ever to have been witnessed. Because he goes into history as the only minority leader under his leadership and his watch. He was able to ensure he elects a Speaker of Parliament from his caucus. Abraham Awayedom Kuma. And see, we believe that Obey shining example, a tower of strength, a pillar that will anchor the leadership of Atoba Forsen as he has been elevated to become the the minority leader of the NDC in Parliament. Kwame.
Okay. No matter what I say. I mean, now, I'm there on your presidential material.
Kwame. Bocho and Bocho, this is my minority leader. Yempede is the embedded and bottom.
Man, I'm a Kamasamu.
Kwame Pocho and Pocho, oh, yeah, and even why you know why ye. At the force, print, honor, Oyem Brashibugini, Ma Adisha, Ejumaku Indian is him.
No matter what I pay.
Why am Brashibugini for 4 terms? In Canon, no deputy finance minister, or by a ranking member, in print, so deputy minority leader. And see, yeah, let's leave it there. No further conjecture. If you do not them bring Yaminangasa CC and Ma and done. Yami Pejana Basa, obey. Yeah, you be or say, Mata so, Maweni Mobiara, why you would chapara you know, Yamia Shani Pepe Peru was so Wodaranyin, you know. Come in, chromaticus. Yeah, you see how you're going home.
Oh, Mama.
Baba, come in, I mean,
Amen. Okay, 101.7. So, any Mammy be a macra for her.
OKFM 101.7.